Welcome to a short tour of Oshodi Market, a vibrant hub in the heart of Lagos, Nigeria. Oshodi Market, located in the bustling suburb of Oshodi, is one of the largest and most popular markets in Lagos. Let's dive into its rich history and the role it played in shaping this lively community. But before we do so, you are welcome and welcome back to this channel. I'm Teresa, and if you are new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on post notification because that will notify you whenever we drop new content on this channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share. So, established in 1860 during British colonial rule, Oshodi Market initially served the colonial administration's activities, including the dark history of the slave trade. Its strategic location near the railway lines made it an essential hub for the transit of goods and workers across Nigeria. Oshodi was one of the earliest beneficiaries of Lagos' urban boom in the 19th century. The construction of railway lines between Lagos and the north further boosted its significance, solidifying its place as a vital economic center. Over the years, Oshodi Market grew into a sprawling marketplace, offering everything from fresh produce to clothing and electronics. Its energy and vibrancy became a symbol of Lagos' spirit, attracting traders and buyers from all over the region. However, with its growth came challenges. Government officials raised concerns about criminal activities like pickpocketing and bag snatching in the market. These concerns, alongside urban redevelopment plans, led to the decision to demolish Oshodi Market in January 2016. Today, Oshodi has undergone a significant transformation. While the historic market is no more, its legacy continues to live on in the hearts of Lagosians. The redevelopment has brought a new look to the area, but many still reminisce about the vibrant energy that Oshodi once embodied. So Oshodi Market is not just a marketplace, it's a cultural landmark and a testament to Lagos' dynamic history. Though it has been replaced by modern structures, its stories remain a crucial chapters in the history of Lagos. So thank you for joining us on this short tour of Oshodi Market. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more stories about Nigeria's vibrant past and present. See you next time.